Hi there, in this video I will show you how you can easily start copy trading any of our strategies which we are providing by using Poo Prime Broker and their app. So first of all, install Poo Prime app in your phone, log in the account and make sure follow all the instructions step by step carefully. So let's start it. After the installation, when you will open your app, it will show you this kind of page and you just click on this area. Currently here is showing copy trading. Maybe when you will open first time it will show you maybe different option, but don't worry, just click in this area. When you will click on that area, it will show you all of your live accounts if you have any existing account with them. If not, anyways you're going to create a new account, so you have to click new live account. When you will click, it will show you this page. Okay, from that page you have to click here platform 5, right? You have to choose that one. Click this one. Okay, when you will click on this area platform and choose platform 5, so you have to actually, okay, when you will click on platform you have to choose popular copy trading option, this one. Okay, so when you will click on platform, it will show you this pop-up. From here you have to select this option. After selecting this, account type, so as you can see we have selected copy trading. Okay, here as you can see, we in the platform, we as we clicked, it will show you this option. From this option you have to select copy trading option. Okay, after selecting the copy trading, as you can see here, then you have to click account type. When you will click on account type, it will show you this list. So make sure from this list you have to select this option, prime send. Okay, after you select prime send, make sure the currency is here supposed to be USC, and then you have to click on terms and conditions box and then click on submit button on this area. Okay, after you submit the new account request, it will show you here in review. So currently it will not show you any of the account which you have requested, but it will show you an option here in review. It means your requested new account which you have just submitted, it's under review. It will take normally few hours. Sometime it can be done within 1 to 3 hours. As it will be approved, you won't receive any of the email notification, so you just have to keep checking. As your account will be ready, it will show up here. As you can see other accounts, it will also show here, and it will show account copy trading. As you can see, our new requested account is ready, and you can see it's saying here copy trading. Okay, you can see it's showing copy trading. It means the account which we have requested is ready. I will strongly advise you also rename all of your accounts, so this way you won't mixed up. So whenever you request a new account, always rename it. As we have renamed this one, you can rename all of your accounts. Whatever the strategies you are following, just rename and mention the strategy name here, so this way it will avoid any confusion for future. Okay, so the next step, when you when you will create a new account and it will show up here, the balance will be here 0. You need to make a deposit. So for deposit, you just click on the account in which you want to make deposit, and it will show you an option for deposit. From there you can make a deposit. So I will not go in more details regarding the deposit because I am just trying to show you in a short time how to start copy trading. So after you're making the deposit, let's say you have made the deposit in this account and you wanna active the copy trading, let's say for GBP USD in this account. So you will select this account, click it as we have selected here. You can see you click on this account. When you will click on this account, it will again bring you on this page, and here you can see copy trading, but it will not show you any account number, but you have selected which account number. So you click on this, so then you have to click, so your account in which you want to start the strategy, it already been selected because you did, and then you come and click on this area, most copied, in this area. So when you will click on that, it will show you this search bar. In that search bar you just type TPT, so it will show you all of these strategies which TwinPoint trader is offering. So currently you can see we are having at the time of recordings these 3 strategies, but maybe when you will watch this video it could be more or less. So all of the strategies which we are offering currently, it will show you in this area. So let's say if we wanted to start with GBP USD, we will click on this GBP USD. So when we will click on GBP USD, here you can see the strategy, all the details you can read here. If you want to read which is important to read, click view more and you can read all of the information and description about this strategy. And the next step is just click on copy button. Okay guys, after you when you will click on copy button, it will bring you on this screen, and here you can see we have to change copy mode to fixed multipliers, and that multipliers value we have to enter on this area. So this value we will get from our multiplier generator which we have provided. You can get or if you don't know, you can ask our team. We will tell you how to calculate your multiplier according to your balance. So make sure whatever balance you will put in multiplier at the time of calculation, you have to put the same amount here in investment. So basically if you want to invest, let's say 2000 cents, so when you will be calculating your multiplier, you have to enter 2000 cents there, and then it will give you the multiplier value. The exact value you have to type here in this area. Okay, and after that you click on submit. Management option. When you will click on risk management option, you have to change this SL limit. The reason is, if you will choose less SL, there is a mostly chance that it will get hit if you don't choose the right amount. So I will strongly advise you just change this to maximum, because when we are placing the trades, we already have SL limit in our account, and which will be automatically implemented into your account as well. So you don't need to choose. Let's say if we have limit of SL 50% and you have choose here 10%, so whenever the account will go in minus 10%, your all trades will be closed, but our account will be okay, you will be in loss. So take my advice to put this on maximum. Okay, so here again, as you can see, we have this option copy mode, equivalent use margin, risk management. In risk management we have SL 95%, and then lot roundup. It's up to you. You just buy, I think so, leave it on this one. Copy open trade, you can leave this on also, and then submit. After the submission, it will show you this message. If it will show you this message, this means you have proceed perfectly, and then it will after you click on the message which was showing you in the previous screen, when you will click on OK, it will show you again whatever the active copy trading you have with us or with any other person. So let's say we have chosen GBP USD. Now it is showing here that is active. Current profit and loss, your balance, equity, and further you can click on details to check more. If you will click on details, it will show you positions, if we have any open positions, in history and history, profit sharing, and further settings. You can check later this one, all things. If you have any issue or you need more information, you can contact us in our WhatsApp community and we will be happy to assist you. Thank you.